Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome to week 4 of Dinner and Asides pasta series. If you watched last week's episode, Laura made a spicy arrabbiata. It's a great pasta. You can find the link in the description just in case you missed it. This week, I'm making a creamy Italian sausage rigatoni, and it's always a hit at my house. First, let's cook the rigatoni. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the rigatoni and cook it just until al dente, which usually takes about 12 to 14 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, let's get started on the sauce. Heat the butter and olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the sausage, onions, and mushrooms, and let those cook for about 6 minutes, breaking up the sausage as it cooks. Next, add the garlic for about 30 seconds. Then pour in the heavy cream. Lower the heat to medium and then stir and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we can add the drained tomatoes, spinach, and Italian seasonings. Cook it just until the spinach wilts. Give the sauce a taste and add some salt and pepper if you think it needs it. Now it's time to put it all together. Add the cooked pasta, Parmesan cheese, and pasta water to the skillet. Stir and simmer for a few minutes until the pasta thickens. You can serve it with more grated Parmesan. I mean, why not? Be sure to check out the others in this pasta series and let us know which one you liked best down in the comments.